Dukto R6 used to be a handy file transfer tool, but it's outdated and no longer supported. If you need a reliable alternative for fast transfers, plus backup and restore, here are 7 great options. Top 1. Best Dukto R6 Alternative MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile makes cross-platform moves easy. Contacts, apps, photos, and more can transfer in one click across Android and iOS. No tech skills needed. How to use the best Dukto R6 alternative to transfer data from one phone to another. Install and open MobiKin Transfer for Mobile, then connect both phones via USB. Flip positions if needed, select data types, and click Start Copy to begin transferring. Top 2. MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android lets you back up contacts, apps, messages, and settings in a few clicks and restore them easily to any device. Top 3. LocalSend. LocalSend is popular for cross-platform, peer-to-peer Wi-Fi transfers. QR codes make pairing quick, keeping connections private and fast. Top 4. xShare. xShare lets Samsung devices wirelessly exchange files via Wi-Fi direct at high speed, without using mobile data. Top 5. Share. Share offers fast, lightweight Android transfers for apps, videos, and more, with QR code pairing in seconds. Top 6. CM Transfer. CM Transfer is a fast, easy-to-use app for sending large files over local Wi-Fi, making it a favorite for efficient transfers. Top 7. TrebleShot. TrebleShot offers open-source file sharing with resume support and multiple connections, making it ideal for Android users.